Hello, this is Aviation Blue Tech. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and preview of the new Gemini Jets terminal. Trying to give you guys my first thought and impression of the new Gemini Jets setup. So let's get this unboxing started. Okay, so I just got the box open. As you can see, the inside of the box. Airport terminal with 22 gates. It's got the interior roof LED lighting. 8 AA batteries are not included, and of course the airport mat and aircraft models sold separately. As far as so you can see over here it says includes 9 wide body and 13 narrow body jets. The older setup, it's actually 11 and 11 for the same amount of gates. So but anyway, let me get this get the box out of the box. Okay, so here's the actual box. Pretty nice setup. The item number is Golf Juliet Alpha Romeo Papa Tango and Charlie. So again, the airport terminal has 22 gates. So you can see on the picture there, it has 13 narrow body jets and 9 wide body jets. Here's the side view of the box and the back side of the box, and here's the side and front of the box. So here's the way it opens up. And it's got 2 styrofoam boxes and 1 plastic. So the top piece comes with all the terminal gates and also all the airline logo and the instruction packages. So it doesn't come individually as the old terminal did. The old terminal came with 3 different styrofoam boxes and had everything individually on each terminal, which was broken down to terminal A, B, and C. This one is just one big package into one big setup. Comes the second styrofoam, has the 2 end terminals. So let me just give you a closer look on the end terminal. It's pretty nice. When you take it out, just be careful not to really grab this part here. Try to grab it from the bottom. I could see that breaking off as people taking it off. As you can see, the little to put the jet bridges on, connect them. As far as the color, green, got look into that more. I don't have a final verdict on that. Not sure if I prefer the white versus the green, but once I have it completely set up, I'll give you my honest opinion on it. So far, this part I really like. I really like the way it looks. So let me continue with the unboxing. So here's the last piece that has the other 2 main terminals. They come together as on the bottom piece. As far as on this one, different than the old one. Of course, the old one had the train on top. This one doesn't have a bunch of what looks like could probably be air conditioning units. I'm not too sure exactly, but and this part here is where you put the batteries, the AA's. So let me take it out of the styrofoam. Okay, so here's the individual terminal. As far as the weight, it's lighter than the old style. As far as here's the where you connect the jet bridges. Again, the color I see. Again, haven't made up my mind on that. Let me turn it around. guys a side view on it. Again, this is similar to this archway as the old terminal. Nothing really has changed there. As far as the pattern in the windows, so you can see kind of looks the same, a little more outline on it. But other than that, I actually think I don't know if these are supposed to be like windows or stuff. On the white color, it actually stands out a little bit more. Oops, sorry about that. So anyway, what I'm gonna do right now, I'll set up just without the jet bridges. I'll set it up in length and just give you a quick comparison with the old Gemini Jets terminal. So here are the both terminals side by side. You got the original Gemini Jets terminal that came out, if I remember right, it was 1999, the year 2000, and the new Gemini Jets. And I guess on the instructions, I took it off, and you can see that they called it the Gemini Jets 1400 Airport C terminal instructions. So I guess this is Airport Charlie. The original, I guess, was Airport A, and then the other one that came out later on a few years ago with 7 gates. I guess that's terminal. That's Airport B. So the new terminal, they're actually put them side by side here, and as you can see, the new one is a little longer, as you can see, and it's gonna extend out further. As far as also the instructions, you got the same amount of holes all around. I'm sorry. So you have the all around on both sides are the same. The difference is, if you can look on the instructions, it actually for this side here is the wide body, and this is the narrow body side. So so on this side we wouldn't put any gates, a jet bridge there. We will only put it on this side. Kind of 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you kind of set it up. So I'll do a more detailed video on that. I just want to give you guys this video as a first impression. So far so good. Kind of it looks very nice, different. The color, like I said, is a little different as far as, you know, the green. But if you guys that are used to the previous Gemini Jets Airport, then you guys will be fine. So anyway, let me give you guys a ground level look. Okay, here's the side view. Anyway, this concludes this quick unboxing and preview of the new Gemini Jets Airport terminal. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, take care.